Hello, today you will learn about
Bonjour à tous et à toutes.
In this video we are going to learn about definite articles in French. It is used to indicate specific nouns and are used differently depending on the gender and number of the noun they precede. The definite articles in French agree in gender with the noun. In English we have only one way of saying it, which is the. But in French there are four ways of saying it. They are
Le, la, les,
and L apostrophe. Before singular masculine noun starting with consonant we use
le.
Before singular feminine noun starting with consonant we use
La.
Before a singular masculine and feminine noun starting with vowel or H we use L apostrophe. And before the plural noun regardless of gender we use
Les.
Now let's see some examples using them. Example using
Le.
the book. In French we would say
Le livre.
the bicycle,
Le vélo.
the cat,
Le chat.
the restaurant.
Le restaurant.
Now let's see some examples using the article
La.
For example, the house. In French we would say
La maison.
the car,
La voiture.
the kitchen,
La cuisine.
the television.
La télévision.
Most of the time, there is an E at the end of feminine nouns so we can identify them, but there are exceptions. Some nouns have an E at the end but are not feminine, and some nouns don't have an E at the end but are feminine, as I have shown you with the examples. Now let's see some examples using the article L apostrophe. We use it in front of a vowel or H regardless of gender. The water.
L'eau.
The hotel.
L'hôtel.
The school.
L'école.
The man.
L'homme.
Now let's see some examples of nouns using the plural article.
Les.
The children. In French we would say
Les enfants.
the dishes,
Les plats.
the countries,
Les pays.
the friends.
Les amis.
In French, we use definite plural article for both masculine plural nouns and feminine plural nouns. That's all about definite articles in French. Hope you have understood when to use which definite articles in French.
J'espère que ça vous a plu. Mettez un petit like, abonnez-vous à la chaîne et partagez la vidéo. À très bientôt et au revoir.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.